Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can hide the likes, the views and the reactions on your own post when you're publishing on Instagram. This is going to be very important, especially for people who have a small account and who don't want to be disappointed or demotivated if they don't get this very strong engagement in the beginning. So all you gotta do, I'm going to show you, is to simply create a brand new post, click on the plus sign, choose an image, and then I'm going to proceed with this image. After finishing editing, right, I'm going to click next, and this is where the magic happens. I want you to pay very close attention, guys. So right before publishing, you want to go to the last section, which is advanced settings. You want to click on it, and the second option in the menu is like and view counts. If you click on this option, underneath it says hide like and view counts on this post. What this will actually do is that when you post your picture with this car, only you will be able to see how many likes, how many comments, how many saves, how many people love the post, or how many people saw your video if it's a video on the view count, right? No one else will be able to see anything. It will be just a random post without any view counter, any like counter, without anything. So this is how you can actually hide your views and your likes on Instagram. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.